Great job on the presentation. You really hit it out of the park. Thanks. I couldn't have done it without your input. We make a great team. Definitely. It seems we've got the Midas touch when we work together. True. Let's keep the ball rolling and start planning for the next project. Okay, and the vocabulary. To hit it out of the park, this means to do something extremely well or to be very successful. To have the Midas touch, this refers to the ability to be successful in almost everything you do. It originates from the myth of King Midas, who turned everything he touched into gold. To keep the ball rolling, this idiom means to keep the process going or to maintain the momentum in a positive way.